If your last grade was not what you expected, I'm going to guide you through a plan that has helped hundreds of my students improve their scores by up to 40%. That's about 2 grade boundaries higher. First, I'm going to tell you what you should not do. Do not try to restudy the entire syllabus. Do not follow the same order as your textbook. You might feel as though you have forgotten everything since the last exam. That's very normal. Stay with me and I will show you how to recall it all quickly. Your goal is to find the fastest route to improvement. That starts with the areas that lowered your grade in your previous exam. In step 1, identify your weakest point. If possible, obtain your exam transcript or script report. Pinpoint the exact questions or topics where you lost marks. This is going to be your starting list. Step 2 is targeted revision. This should not take more than a week. Revisit those topics in your notes. If possible, watch short explainer videos while you read. This saves time and helps concepts become clearer more quickly. I prepared revision materials for October session that will save you a lot of time. Check them out via the link in the description. Let's now move to the next stage. In step 3, you'll ensure that what happened in the previous exam is not going to happen again. You'll attempt topic-specific classified questions. Solve 2 to 3 questions on each topic until you feel confident. Step 4, you'll do guided past paper solving. Here you will solve full exams with open notes and check the mark scheme after each question. Why does this method work very well? That's because you're not only restoring old knowledge, you will also build in exam solving skills. Limit this stage to just about 5 to 6 past papers, then move to step number 5. Now you are in semi-exam mode. Solve past papers with flexible timing. Mark the entire paper at the end. No notes, no mark scheme midway. Do this for another 5 papers and you're now ready to move to the full exam mode. Give yourself strict timing and aim to finish 10 to 15 minutes early. This trains speed, accuracy, and stress control. It's highly recommended to highlight, bookmark, or screenshot every mistake. This becomes your personal study guide in the final 2 to 3 days before the exam. Revise only these mistakes to avoid repeating them in the actual exam. Also, if you're resitting more than one subject, it is crucial to study those subjects in parallel. That is to divide your study hours between them while prioritizing the weaker subject. My last 2 tips are for IGCSE students. First, find out which component lowered your grade, whether if it's paper 4 or paper 6. Your school exam officer can provide you with this information. Even if paper 2 costed you marks, leave it till the end. It is the last exam and multiple choice questions are perfect for high frequency practice close to the paper 2 exam date. That's your roadmap. Stay consistent, track your mistake, and keep moving forward. And I'm wishing you the very best for your resit.